Often people think that nature is out there. The mountains, the forests, the animals, the birds, and so on. And we humans are not nature. This is a mistaken view. Humans are as much part of nature as the mountains, the animals, the birds, and the butterflies. We are nature. And what we do to nature, we do to ourselves. So taking care of nature is taking care of ourselves. Taking care of nature is in our self-interest. We are human beings. The word human comes from Latin humus, which means soil. So we are literally soil beings. So human beings and the soil, which means nature, are one.